This doesn't recognize any class limitations, any socioeconomic limitations. Opioids can affect anyone, from the very doctors who prescribe them, to law enforcement personnel, to teachers. Anyone is susceptible to become addicted to opioids.
Special Agent in Charge Aaron Rouse understands why opioid addiction has become a national crisis. It can affect even the people trying to battle the problem.
We don't want to stop people from getting pain relief. That's not what we're about. We're about those that are taking advantage of that pain and profiting it from it.
And while he has compassion for those fighting addiction, he also knows why many people ended up with a drug problem.
By and large, doctors and medical professionals who prescribe pain medication do so with the best of intention and do the best of follow through. I'm talking about that 1 or 2% that give the rest a bad name. And this is why the FBI is keen to know of those cases so that we can stop them from prescribing death to their patients.
And that, says Rouse, requires community involvement and teamwork with other law enforcement agencies around the valley like Metro.
We cannot solve this by simply making arrests. There has to be a systemic addressing of this problem. And that's going to take community support, community involvement. You've seen the billboards up around town. We want you to report those instances where you believe that illegal opioid prescriptions are going on.
Rouse says that will help dry up the source while addicts can be offered treatment.
This is why this threat is so pressing. This is why, as a community, we need to come together to stop the illicit sales of opioids. And I know that we can do it.
The FBI office in Las Vegas has seen tremendous results in other campaigns, things like the campaign against human trafficking, as well as violent crime. They've gotten results, and Agent Rouse says it wasn't by accident. He says it was a team effort, community involvement, and he sees no reason why the same can't happen when it comes to the opioid crisis. Just get the community involved and make it happen.
And save a lot of families, a lot of
lives. No doubt.
Yeah. Thank you.
Steve, thanks. And don't forget, we are committed to keeping track of this topic as it moves along. Our Nevada Addicted continues every Tuesday and Friday night here on News 3 Live at 6.